Hi. Today we're going to tell you what is NFT. We will also provide information about how can it help your business. Let's get started. What is NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Tokens, and it is a form of a digital asset used as a token for a digital platform. They are blockchain-based, and that's why they are also known as digital assets. NFTs are quite similar to other digital assets such as cryptocurrencies, but they are distinguished by the fact that their attributes are unique and their supply is limited. This ensures that each token is unique to others, hence the term non-fungible. NFT for digital marketing. How can it help your business? NFTs have opened up a huge business opportunity for businesses in the form of digital marketing. This is primarily because they can be used as an incentive for attracting potential customers and as a reward for loyalty. Since NFTs are non-fungible, they also provide a level of privacy to users, which makes them a great tool to use for customer acquisition. Use NFT to track your customer's journey and satisfaction. This will help you analyze if the user has a level of interest in the product or service being offered. This can be done by embedding a smart contract on their website, on which they can link a specific NFT to an individual. The customer can then be tracked using blockchain analysis tools and the ICO viewer. Use NFT to understand your customers on a deeper level. NFT can be used to collect data in the form of a questionnaire. This helps businesses to gather information on their customers' opinions on products, services, and any other related topics. An NFT can also be used as a reward for answering questions. These questions can be asked to the customers via email, social media, website, or they can be asked by an employee if the business has a physical store. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.